In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Myfitnesspal. If you're trying to lose weight, build healthier habits, or just understand what you're eating each day, Myfitnesspal is one of the most popular apps out there. But is it really worth using in 2025? In this review, I'll go over what the app does, the key features, the benefits, and a few downsides to help you decide if it's right for you. Let's start with what Myfitnesspal is all about. Myfitnesspal is a nutrition and fitness tracking app that helps you log your meals, exercise, water intake, and weight. The app has a massive database of foods including brand names, restaurant meals, and even international items. You can scan barcodes to log food quickly or search manually. The app breaks down your calories, macros like protein, fat, and carbs, and nutrients, so you can see exactly what you're consuming. This can be a game changer for people who want to be more mindful about their eating habits. One thing that makes Myfitnesspal stand out is how easy it is to connect with other tools. You can sync it with apps and devices like Fitbit, Apple Health, Garmin, and more, so your exercise and steps show up automatically. The app also offers personalized goals. For example, it can suggest how many calories you should aim for daily based on your age, weight, activity level, and your goal, whether that's losing, gaining, or maintaining weight. Myfitnesspal is especially helpful for people who want to track macros, as it gives detailed charts and insights into where your calories are coming from. But let's talk about some downsides. While Myfitnesspal has a free version that covers most basic needs, many of the more advanced features are locked behind a paid subscription, like custom macro goals by meal, food analysis, or more detailed progress reports. The premium plan costs around $80 a year as of 2025. Also, the food database is user-supported, so sometimes entries can be inaccurate, and you'll need to double-check certain items. Finally, logging food every day can take time and effort, and some people may find it hard to stick with long-term. So, who benefits most from using Myfitnesspal? I think this app is ideal for anyone serious about tracking what they eat, whether you're aiming to lose weight, gain muscle, or just understand your nutrition better. It's great for beginners who want easy tracking, and for more advanced users who care about detailed calorie and macro info. If you're looking for a flexible, well-connected app to help you stay accountable, Myfitnesspal is a strong choice. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Myfitnesspal or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on more honest reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.